Hey everyone, it's James. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we are going to talk about how to do the best possible shadowing exercise. If you have no idea what a shadowing exercise is, then you are in for a treat because it's really one of the fastest and most powerful ways to improve everything about your English. And if you've been doing this for a while, stick around because I'm going to reveal the biggest mistakes English learners make when shadowing, plus some advanced tips to help you level up your practice. Before we start, if you're new here, hello. My name is James. I help you sound confident, clear, and proud when speaking English. Remember, pride in your English is not something people hear. It's something you feel when you speak. Whether English is your second, third, or even fourth language, I want you to speak with comfort and confidence. So if you're serious about improving, hit the subscribe button because I post fresh, practical content every day. Why shadowing works so well? The shadowing technique is basically repeating what someone else is saying, almost at the same time. You might also call it the imitation or echoing exercise. Why is it so effective? Let's break it down. 1. It develops language intuition. You stop translating in your head and start feeling the rhythm, melody, and stress patterns of English automatically, just like singing along to your favorite song. This makes your speech flow naturally without overthinking. 2. It sharpens listening skills. You start to notice the music of English, the ups and downs of intonation, the stretch of vowels, and the stress on important words. These are the features that make native speakers sound natural. 3. It builds pronunciation muscle memory. Just like playing an instrument or a sport, repeating sounds trains your mouth muscles. Over time, your tongue, lips, and jaw learn the movements automatically. 4. It's incredibly portable. You can do shadowing while walking, cooking, commuting, anywhere you can listen. You don't need a classroom. You just need your ears, your voice, and a good audio source. How to do shadowing. There are 2 main styles. 1. On-the-go shadowing. Play the audio and repeat right after the speaker without pausing. This is perfect for multitasking and getting more exposure to the language. 2. Focused shadowing. Sit down with a transcript, play short sections, pause, and repeat. This is where you zoom in on tricky sounds, stress, and rhythm. Pro tip. Start with focused shadowing to train accuracy, then switch to on-the-go shadowing to build speed and fluency. The biggest mistake people make. The most common mistake? Shadowing without a goal. If you just mindlessly copy the speaker, you're not training your brain to notice and correct mistakes. You need to set a clear intention for each session. For example, if you're practicing vowel sounds, focus only on those ship versus sheep. If you're working on intonation, notice if a sentence ends with a rising or falling tone and copy it exactly. If you're training stress patterns, highlight the words that carry the energy of the sentence. Without intention, shadowing becomes background noise. With intention, it becomes precision training. Tips for efficient shadowing. Choose a voice you enjoy. If you love the sound, you'll stick with it. Use slow playback. 0.75x speed can help you catch every detail. Mark your script. Underline stressed words. Circle tricky sounds. Record yourself. Compare with the original. Notice small differences. Break it into chunks. Master one paragraph before moving on. Mix voices, accents. Shadow both American and British speakers to adapt your ear. Repeat daily. Even 10 minutes a day builds serious results over time. Do you already practice shadowing? Or will you start after this video? Drop your answer in the comments. I read them all. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy shadowing.